In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to QuillBot Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete your upgrade smoothly without second-guessing any part of the process. First, open your web browser and head to QuillBot's official website. You can type the site address directly into the address bar or simply search for QuillBot and select the official result. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the account you want to upgrade. This helps ensure your premium access is applied to the right profile and saves you from switching accounts later. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the Upgrade to Premium option. On some screens or mobile devices, it might be inside a menu, but it's usually prominent. Click it to open the pricing page. Here you'll see the premium plan, which unlocks more features than the free version. Take a moment to review what's included and choose the billing option that fits your needs. Many people pick the most popular plan highlighted on the page. Before you proceed, double-check the currency, billing frequency, and any taxes that may apply where you live. If you have a promo code, look for a field to enter it before completing the purchase. When you're ready, click Upgrade. You'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your information carefully, making sure the card number, expiration date, and billing address match what your payment provider has on file. If your bank uses two-factor authentication or sends a verification prompt, approve it to complete the transaction. Keep an eye out for any review screen before final confirmation so you can verify the plan and total amount are correct. Once your payment is processed, you're done. You should see confirmation on screen and you'll typically receive a receipt at the email associated with your account. If premium features don't appear right away, refresh the page, sign out and back in, or open a new browser tab. From here forward, you can enjoy your premium tools. No extra setup needed. If you ever need to manage billing, change plans, or view invoices, look for the account or billing section in your profile. That's the full process. Go to QuillBot, choose Upgrade to Premium, enter your payment details, and you're all set. If you found this helpful, follow along for more straightforward how-tos just like this.